We eat 3 meals every day. Are you fully satisfied during your meal? Table mat, the essential item for your beautiful and tidy table. But using table mats can get messy easily by spilling food. Doesn't everyone have this kind of experience? Table mats are purposed to keep the table clean, but it rather entails poor hygiene. This is why we need the Vernox Metal Table Mat. Vernox, a metal table mat you have never seen before. A new style to your table with the metal mat. Vernox Metal Table Mat uses corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Not only it's hygienic, but it has a luxurious metallic texture and color. There's no rule that the table mat should be used only in mealtimes. Vernox's beautiful design can be utilized in various ways, such as consoles and/or decorations and more. Did you know that the table mat you use is a pool of germs? Food stains, germs spread, and it even smells bad. Vernox table mat is antibacterial due to the special coating on the stainless. There's no problem plating food right on top of it. Plating food on the table mat can simply change the mood at your house. Thanks to the special coating, it maintains the antibacterial effect with simple water cleaning, and it is good to use like a plate. Crumpled and stained table mats gets to be thrown away after a short period of use. Well, the Vernox table mat is not like that. Because it's stainless steel, it will be the same new table mat even after years of using it. Hardly gets scratches from daily use due to its strong durability, and the subdued pattern gives natural wear and tear effects. Much easier to clean than regular table mats that need to be washed and steamed. You can just use the dishwasher. The anti-slip treatment prevents the mat from slipping on the table, and there are no harm of metal edge cutting your hand due to its well-furbished edges. Although it's metal, using the ultra-thin stainless steel allows it to have flexibility. Because it's a metal, it's okay to place hot pots on top of it directly. Let's take a look at the making process of the Vernox table mat. Vernox metal table mats are made up of several structures. The main material is stainless steel 304. Vernox stainless steel goes through 2 special coating processes. Its special coating technique allows the quality uniformity by producing them in a coil format. The first coating is a PVD coating. It improves the hardness and durability of the surface and gives vivid colors. The second coating, NCC, is a technology that settles small nano-sized particles on the metal surface and improves anti-fingerprint, antibacterial, and outstanding glossiness. With this special coated stainless steel, the metal Vernox table mat is made. Come meet the metal table mat at Indiegogo.